Hello guys, I am Azhar Husain and welcome back to my channel Fitness Restore. And this video I'm gonna tell you about my biceps workout routine, which gonna help you to add more muscles in your biceps, right? So we're going to do 4 exercises, which is very important. So apart from these exercises, nothing is important. These 4 exercises will help you to add a very good muscles in your biceps, right? So you're gonna start from the first exercise, barbell curls. As you can see, I have 2 dumbbells, and since I don't have a proper rod, so this is the reason I'm doing with this dumbbell curls, right? So we're gonna start from the first set, which is a dumbbell curls. So you have to take 4 sets of 12 reps each, right? So you're gonna start from like this. After the first set of dumbbell curls, we're going to start from the second set, which is hammer curl. What is the benefit of hammer curls? Is it will going to give you more strength and endurance and more thickness, and you're gonna add some more muscles in your biceps, right? So just see my posture I'm doing. Guys, after the second sets of hammer curls, you have to take at least 4 sets of 12 repetitions each. So we are done with the hammer curls. Now we're gonna start from the preacher curls. What is the benefit of preacher curl? Is it helps you to give you an ability to do the negative movements. As you are not aware of the negative movement, what are the negative movements? That you have to lower down the tempo of your rhythm of your repetitions. Like आप अभी जैसे यूँ लेते हैं, फिर जब भी आप लोअर करेंगे अपने सेट्स तो वो 3 to 4-5 सेकंड्स में नीचे आएंगे. तो ये मोर इंटेंसिटी देता है, मोर इंड्योरेंस देता है और मोर स्ट्रेंथ देता है, राइट? सो वी गोना स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द preacher curls of 4 sets, 10 reps each. So as I said you guys about the preacher curls, so for preacher curl you need a chair and a pillow. So we're going to start from the first set of preacher curls, 4 sets, 10 reps each. So you just look at the way I'm doing, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see that I'm lowering down my tempo of my repetitions, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the third set of preacher curl, now we're gonna start from the concentration curl, which is again very important exercise to add some more endurance to your biceps muscles, right? So you just see my posture, how I'm doing. So you have to take 4 sets, again 8 reps each, right? So we're gonna start from here. Again you need a chair, right? exercises of my bicep routine. So which is very important for your muscle growth of your biceps, right? So when the gym will open, I'm going to hit the gym and gonna tell you some more important exercises of biceps. So guys, appreciate it, like it, and yeah, keep training, man.